Exercise-induced muscle damage can be differentiated into two phases. The first one, which is the acute phase, occurs during exercise, while the latter one, which occurs later on, is related with the inflammatory response. When we engage in intense physical exercise, such as lifting heavy weights or running long distances, our muscles can suffer small injuries. These injuries can be so intense that some muscle fibers can even break and release enzymes into the blood. These enzymes, such as creatine kinase or lactate dehydrogenase, play an important role in providing energy to our muscles in these circumstances. For this reason, the analysis of the levels of these enzymes in the blood can be useful for assessing muscle damage. The secondary phase, which is the latter one that occurs later on, is related with the inflammatory response. Here, inflammation plays a crucial role because when these micro tears in muscle fibers occur, then inflammatory cells, like for example neutrophils, are going to infiltrate in the tissue and are going to attract pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are the ones that are going to trigger the mentioned response. This phase is really important for the correct repair and regeneration of the damaged muscle fibers and can last days or even weeks. Certain genetic variants have been associated to elevated levels of these enzymes as well as with an exacerbated inflammatory response after intense exercise. In Adentro, you can discover your predisposition that will help you understand how you respond to this type of exercise and plan your training accordingly.